Hello friends, you all know SBI gave a notification for Junior Associate in Clerical Cadre. This is my first video. Why I am making this video is there are students who are preparing from home who have no proper guidance, so they need some help. So I will focus on explaining the few subjects, mainly numerical ability and reasoning. These two subjects considered very tough for the newcomers. These two topics consume a lot of time. Nowadays there is a time limit for each and every section, so you should be very fast. Today we will focus on numerical ability section. In numerical ability, there are 5 to 10 simple questions, arithmetic questions. These questions are basically asked to test your how fast you can solve the given problem. Numerical ability. I have taken the actual question paper. The exam was conducted on 22nd May 2016. This was the actual question paper of SBI preliminary exam. So the first question, 7 divided by 5 of 58 plus 3 divided by 8 of 139.2 is equal to question mark. Here you have to answer what is the final result. 7 by 5 is equal to 1.4. 58 plus 3 divided by 8, 0.375. 139.2. See, here you have to very quick in answering the divisions and multiplications. You need to learn tables. 1.8 into 58 is equal to 81.2. This results to 52.2. So 133.4 is the answer. This is the first question. These are very simple, but you have to practice. Number 2, 12% of 555 plus 15% of 666 is equal to question mark. Percentage means 1 by 100. 12 by 100 of 555 plus 15 by 100 of 666 will result in 66.6 plus 99.9 equated to 166.5. Third question. Now sum these two numbers first. Again sum these two numbers. Sum of these two numbers. Sum of these two numbers. 149,834 minus 85973 equal to 63861. The next question, you need to know some formula to quickly answer this question. That is, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, and a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Now you can easily solve this problem. 33 to the power of 7.8 plus 33 to the power of 7.8 into 33 to the power of 1.2. This first formula is applicable in this place. You have divided by, so minus 5 is equal to 33 to the power of 1. We can assume this as 1. The end result will be 4. 33 to the power of 1 plus question mark. Now you can four minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 will be the answer. Just remember this formula, it will be very easy. Otherwise, can't calculate these numbers. All these calculations is impossible. You have to solve it within half minute. Next problem. Now multiply this. X square, I'm considering question mark as x, is equal to 529 into 324. Instead of multiplying these two numbers, we will convert these numbers into square form. 23 to the power of 2 into 18 to the power of 2. X is equal to 414. So whenever these kind of big numbers are given, you can simply convert them into square form. Otherwise, the calculation will be very difficult. Next question. Just summation 2773. This will be the answer. Very simple problems. You just need to practice. 51 square is equal to 2101. 51 minus 14 is equal to 37. Now question mark is equal to 37. This will be transformed into 37 square is equal to 1369. You need to practice tables and cube roots, square roots. These are very important. Next, again percentage equal to 1 by 100. 85 by 100 into 420 plus question mark into 1080 divided by 100. This will be equals to 357 plus 1080. I'm doing this step-by-step process to explain you clearly. You should not do like this in your exam. You should just skip these steps. The 10th question. This is the final question in this video. You know already. 30 divided by 100 into 1225 minus 64 divided by 100 into 555. This will be equal to 367.5 minus 355.2. That is equal to 12.3. So these are the 10 simple arithmetic questions faced by the candidates who wrote SBI preliminary exam on 22nd May 2016. These 10 questions carry 10 marks. So you should try to solve these 10 questions in 5 minutes. There are total 35 questions in numerical ability section. You should solve 35 questions in 20 minutes. So you should solve 10 questions in 5 minutes. In remaining 15 minutes, you have to solve 25 questions. Finally, I recommend you to practice more and more previous exam papers. If you can practice the previous exam papers, it will give clear idea of what type of questions you have to face in the exam. There are so many books available in the market. You just choose one. I have searched for one that kind of book. That is Disha Publications book titled SBA and IBPS Bank Clerk 30 past solved papers. That is from 2009 to 2016. This book contains almost 30 previous exam papers. You can see the contents here. Just see, there are so many papers. SBI Clerk exam solved paper 2009, again SBI Clerk 2012 exam paper, SBI Clerk 2014, most importantly SBI Junior Associate preliminary exam paper 2016 is also SBI Junior Associate mains exam paper is also available. So this is very good book. You can buy and practice these papers. If you can practice these papers, you can easily pass the preliminary exam, I feel. So I have given a link in the description. Go ahead and buy it and practice it. I have also included the PDF files containing multiplication tables and squares and square roots of a number. You can find those links in the description. You can download the PDF files. I will post one more video which will explain the tricks and simple tips to know the square root of a number. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can get alerts whenever I upload a new video. Daily 3 videos I will try to upload if time permits. Okay guys, check the description for the links and see you tomorrow.